Welcome to this YouTube channel. Last video I have discussed linear algebra from GATE 1994 to 2015. Uh, 2015 onwards I will discuss in this lecture, and I will solve the GATE previous question, and I will discuss some concept also. Okay. Now let's start the first question. Yeah. This question asked in GATE 2015 for 1 marks. The value of x for which all the eigenvalue of the matrix given below are real is. We have to find out the value of x. Let us consider. Let us consider matrix A is given 10 I plus j 4 x 20 2 4 2 minus 10. Okay, and matrix is given are real. Okay, matrix is given real, so matrix is given real, so a is equal to a theta. It means it will be the complement of matrix A, and transpose will be equal. So then now do it. First complement, take it complement. A complement will be 10 5 minus I 4 x 20 2 x complement. We don't know what is the x. Maybe x is real and maybe imaginary. 4 22 minus 10. Okay, now take it transpose. Then what will happen? 10 5 minus I, or therefore x transpose 20 2 4 2 minus 10. Okay, now equate it. A will be 10 5 plus I or j, whatever you want to say it, no problem. 2 4, it is an imaginary number only, remember it. 10 x compose 4 5 minus I and 22 4 2 minus 10. Now equate it. After equated, then what will happen? You will get x is equal to 5 minus I. So 5 minus I will be the right answer. Yeah, in terms of j is given, so option B will be the right. Now for A is something matrix given A 10x minus 10x 10x 1, the determinant of 80 A inverse is. We have to find out determinant of 80 or A inverse. Okay, so we can take the uh, formula, or we can solve in simple way. First find out the A inverse, and after that A transpose, and take it determinant. Then one other method is here, and another method it will be take it A transpose my determinant multiplication A inverse determinant. Okay, and it will be A transpose determinant, and here 1 upon A determinant, and here from here you will get A transpose. What is the A transpose? A transpose is nothing but 1 upon 10x, here minus 10x upon 1, and take it determinant. A transpose determinant will be 1 plus 10 square x. Okay, and A determinant is also, from here check it, 1 plus 10 square x, 1 plus 10 square x, and then both are same. So what will happen? Here you will get this one will be cancelled out, and you will get that one answer. So option C will be right answer. This one is asking GATE 2015 for 1 marks. Let m power 4 is equal to I, and m M is not unit matrix, M square is not unit matrix, and MQ3 is not unit matrix for any natural number of A. We have to find out the M inverse. Okay, so M4 is equal to I. Okay, then what will happen? We can say M4K will be I in terms of 4 multiplication will be the I. Okay, and we can say that here and M4 K plus 1 K plus 1 1 times or 4 and M to the power third will be I, and then we can say that M to the power 4K plus 4 is equal to I, and multiply both sides is equal to M inverse. Okay, then what will happen? M 4 to power K plus 4 is equal to M inverse, and here is also M inverse. Then here M 4 to power K plus 3 is equal to M inverse, means you will get answer M inverse is equal to M 4K plus 3. 4K plus 3, option C will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. The sequence xn is specified as xn and xn minus 1 minus 1 and matrix 1 1 0 0 to power n 1 0. Okay, and the initial condition are x0 1 and x1 is equal to 1 and xn is equal to 0. The value of x12, we have to find out the value of x12. Okay, so now matrix A is given. Solution. Matrix A, matrix A is given 1 1 0 0. Matrix A is given, and let's take the characteristic equation. Okay, so characteristic equation will be lambda I minus A is equal to 0, and from here you will get I 1 minus, yeah, A minus lambda, yeah, lambda minus A, no problem for anything. So then you will get lambda minus 1 here, and minus 1, and here is 0, and again you will get lambda. Okay, because here real next term is 0 0. Then take the determinant of this matrix. Take the determinant of this matrix. So what will happen? Lambda square minus lambda and is equal to, I have done some mistakes, and I have done some mistakes. No, I have done some mistakes. Here is the one. Here is the one. Here is the one. So it will be, when you take the minus 1, then here will be minus 1. So lambda square minus lambda 1 plus a minus 1. Here you will get minus 1 equal to 0. And from Cayley-Hamilton theorem, from the, sorry, Cayley-Hamilton theorem, from Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we will get a square minus a minus I equal to 0. And from here, you will get, take it, a square equal to a plus I. Okay, then a4 is equal to a square plus 2a plus I. Okay, and this way you will get a4 is equal to a square plus 2a plus I, and a square is equal to a plus I. So 3a plus I plus I will be I. Okay, 3a plus 2y, 2y, sorry, addition. A8 is equal to, once again, 9a square plus 12a plus 4i, and I square is equal to a plus I. So 9a plus 9i plus 12a plus 4i. So from here you will get um, um, 921a plus 30i. Okay, and a12 we can say a8 into a4, and a4 is 3a plus 2i and 21a plus 39. Multiply it and solve it. Then after solution plus 39 I is 12. So from here, 144 is equal to 144a means, sorry, 144a. Okay, so and 144a or 89a, you add after addition 30, 33, 144, 144 and 89 you will get. And from here x 12, because x and here x and minus 1 11, you will get 233, 144, 144, 89, 1 0 from the above equation. For this one, what will happen? This one multiplication this one, then you will get the 233. So x12 will be 233. So answer will be 233. 233. Fill in the blank, put it the 233. Next question is asked in 2016. The value of x, which of the matrix A has 0 as an eigenvalue? The value of x, which of the matrix A has the value of x for which the matrix has 0 as an eigenvalue. 0 as an eigenvalue means multiplication of all eigenvalue will be the 0, multiplication of all eigenvalue will be the 0, and then the determinant also will be the 0, means a determinant will be 0, that's why eigenvalue multiplication will be the 0, and if any one eigenvalue is 0, it means the multiplication of all eigenvalue will be the 0. So take the determinant and solve it. So then after simplification you will get here a equal to take it a determinant 3 9 minus 6 2 7 minus 4 4 13 minus 9 plus x. Okay, so what will happen? Nothing. We have to do nothing. First, simplify it. Okay, how can we can simplify it? Yeah, from here. Okay, check it and make it R1 after R1 to R1 plus R3. Make it. Then what will happen? Here you will get 0, here you will be 0, 2 R1, 8 plus x minus 9, 9, 7, 30 minus 6 minus 4 minus 9 x determinant. Okay, so from this term x minus 1, x minus 1, and this one what will happen? 9 into minus 4 minus plus 42. Okay, then what will happen? X minus 1 and 36 and 42. 36 42 minus 36, you will get 6 and 0. This one is done, no problem. So at barabar x is equal to 1. So answer will be x is equal to 1. Now come up to the matrix is given A. The determinant of matrix A is 100 and trace A is equal to 14. The value of A minus B is, see, trace of A is given, trace of A 14. It means the all the diagonal elements sum will be 14. All the diagonal elements will be A plus 5 plus 2 plus B is equal to 14. Then you will get A plus B is equal to 7. A plus B is equal to 7. Determinant of A is equal to 100 and take a determinant. Okay. When you take a determinant and solve it, so solve it after solution, you will get AB is equal to AB is equal to 10. Okay. And from there equate it, and after equation and A minus B whole square will be, we can say that A plus B whole square minus 4 AB. Then we can say that A minus B, A plus B, what will happen? Here is the 49. 49 minus 4 into 10, here will be 9. So A minus B is equal to 3. So answer will be 3. Mod, then is only positive value comes. And this part is do it. This part do it. Very simple. Only take this element, then it will become the 3 by 3 matrix, and 3 3 by 4, and then solve it. No problem. Yeah. Consider a 2 by 2 square matrix where x is unknown. X is unknown. If eigenvalue of the matrix A are rho plus j omega and rho minus j omega, then x is, see, we know that determinant of A, determinant of A is equal to multiplication of two eigenvalues, rho plus j omega and rho minus j omega. Okay. Then what will happen? Sorry, determinant of A will be rho x and omega rho. So here rho square plus rho square plus omega square, because A minus B square, but here J square will be minus 1. Then from here rho square and minus x omega and rho square plus omega square. So cancel out. Then you will get x plus omega into omega is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus omega. X is equal to minus omega will be right answer. So option D will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. Consider the 5 by 5 matrix is given. If it is given that A has only one real eigenvalue, then the real eigenvalue of A is, okay. So first take the characteristic equation. Then what will happen? Uh, A minus lambda I determinant equal to 0 solution. Then take the characteristic equation. So you will get 1 minus lambda 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And here you will 5, 1 minus lambda 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then here you will 4, 5, 1 minus lambda 4, 5, 2, 3. Here you will get 3, 4, 5, 1 minus lambda 2. Here you will get 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. Okay, make it sum of all elements in every one row must be 0. Okay, sum of all elements of every row, sum of all elements in every one row, sum of one row, one row, one row, one row, one row, sum of all will be 0. So when you sum these all rows value, then 1 minus lambda plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 0. Then 3, 3, 6, 4, 10, 15. 15 minus lambda is equal to 0, or lambda is equal to 15. So answer will be lambda is equal to 15. Now comes to next question. The rank of matrix M is equal to is given. We have to find out the rank of the matrix. Okay. See, what is happened? When you take here is the first, check the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Here, 5, 10, 10, 1, 0, 2, 3, 6, 6. Okay. When you take the above from here, 5 common and 3 here, then what will happen? Here 50, 1, 2, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. So, two row are same value, it means a determinant will be 0. 3 by 3 matrix determinant 0 will be, means rank 3 is not possible. And smaller n, when take the 2 by 2 matrix anywhere of any element, so 2 by 2 matrix is not 0, so rank A will be 2, option C will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. Yeah, the rank of the matrix is, here is the given that a big matrix. Here is the given in the rank of 5 by 5, and try to solve it. Then you will get the rank 4. And generally, in higher order is given, then you maximum is the highest value. Otherwise, less than one, less than of the higher value. Okay. So do it, and you will get. I am giving the hints. First, make the R4, R4 plus R1. After that, make R4. After that, make the R4. Once again, R4 plus R3. Again, R4 make R4 plus R2. Otherwise, we can say that R4 make the R3 R4 into R1 plus R2 plus R3, and R2, and change the R2 R3, R2 R3, and make R5, make R5, R5 plus R4, we will get 5 by 5 matrix will be the 0, and rank of A will be 4. Try it. If you are getting the difficulty, then uh, comment it in comment box. I will reply you. Let M be real 4 by 4 matrix. Consider the following statements. M has 4 linearly independent eigenvectors. M has 4 distinct eigenvalues. M is non-singular. Which one among the following is true? So, S2, M has 4 distinct eigenvalues and M has 4 linearly independent eigenvectors. So S2 implies for S1. Okay. So right answer will be S2 implies for S1, and there is a singular. There is no meaning for S3 here. Singularity all the things. Now next question. Consider the matrix k 2k k square minus k square and vector x1 x2. The number of distinct real value of k, which of the equation ax is 0 and infinity many solution. So we have to find x as an infinity many solution. So determinant of k, determinant of a will be 0. Okay. So because eigen which value come, place k square 2k and k square equal to 0, and take it, this one will be k minus 2k k square minus k equal to 0 minus 2 k cube minus plus 2 k square equal to 0, and 2 k square minus k cube equal to 0, k equal to, get 0 and 2. So two distinct values, 2 value 0 of 2. Now come next question. The number of distinct eigenvalue of the matrix. In eigenvalue properties, we know that for a lower triangular or upper triangular matrix, diagonal element will be the eigenvector, eigenvalue. Okay, so here is the eigenvalue is, eigenvalue is 2, 1, 3 and 2. And here is distinct value. 4 value is here. Eigenvalue is 4. Eigenvalues are 4. But distinct values are 2, 1, 2 and 3. So 3 distinct values are there. Okay. Thank you for watching. Next video I will upload calculus. I will solve previous year gate question of calculus, and keep watching. Share it from the friend among the friend.